How you doing, guys? Okay, right. So, usual morning, going to work. Looks like summer's wrapping up anyway, and we're going to be getting to September. Okay, so behind me are the cranes for the workplace I'm at. There's quite a lot of containers. You may be able to see them behind me as well. Okay, so it's end of another working day, and it looks like we're having a turn for weather. To be honest with you, I'm ready for this heat wave to finish, just so that I can get some kip. Still pretty hot at night, but not as hot as it has been compared to the few weeks we've had. It has been this has been cool. River's looking choppy again tonight. That is some of my dinner. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the inside of our microwave. It's had it. I was putting something in it, and you can see where a spark ignited, and anyway, I've unplugged it now. I think it's just about had it. Okay, so I'm going to finish this vlog off now. Thank you all very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you soon in another video.